welcome back to another video. It's still windy like yesterday, but we're just getting going on the fence again. Second day we work on this fence, so basically we're making an alleyway to drive all our cattle from one farm to another farm, and we got to cross two separate properties owned by two different people. So that's what we're doing today. We're just doing all temporary wire, pounding these little fiberglass posts. So we're gonna do this stretch all the way to the road. It's a little bit cold and windy. November's really starting to act like November. Anyways, let's get going. Alright, so we actually did put in some T-posts just at the end here, because we're going so far, so long, and if there's nothing to attach it, you can't tension it up. So I just did that and hooked it around nice and tight. We ran out of wire on this roll actually for here, so I ended up finding some old stuff, and now we have an empty reel. So if we ever do have extra, we have extra on that reel. If we ever need it, we can just cut it off and use it. So I'm gonna go back down and check it all, make sure it's all good, and then we'll continue on. All right, so we ran posts all across my uncle's property. Hard to see, I can barely see them. There's one right there. Anyways, now we're into the fence we gotta cut out here. I'm gonna trample all these weeds down too, so the cows can get familiar. It's actually page wire. And this is here where we do the check. We do a big turn and we cross the culvert just over there. All right, so we just ran the big reel. We're down to our last reel actually. We're using the big white one. So we still got to put some T-posts at the end here. I got the fence that borders, so I have to put two T-posts so I can tension the wires good. So far looking good. All right, so we took out the fence. I actually just finished talking with the owner. I asked him if I could go through, and he said yeah. I was hoping he would because everything else is set up, and if he said no, we kind of scrapped the whole idea. But we got the green light, so we just took out this page wire fence. Now we're gonna just keep going. We're running low on posts though. Not many left. We'll have to put some more steel. All right, page wire fence number 2 is out. So there we are. Home stretch, back on Steiner ground here. And we just gotta open up the wintering site. We did run out of posts though. We got enough to come across here. That's about it. So, but only one side, so we need another side of posts. All right, we have to cut some trees, but here's the wintering site. Cut the page wire here, pulled it back so we can sew it back together. I gotta turn the power off now so I can put an end insulator at one end and put a gate handle on the other. Ooh, we got a tightener too we gotta deal with. Yeah, all right. I have to figure this out. And then that completes it. Just gotta get more gate handles, or not gate handles, but posts. But we have enough once they're in the holding pen in the back, like I said before, so we should be set to go. All right, that's where we run out of posts for this side. This side already has posts, just need more some here. Also looks like we need more posts on this side. Where the heck are we going here? There's one there. Oh, there's one here. Oh, they're so hard to see. It's like camouflage. There's another one halfway. Freak, I can't even see it on screen. It's like right there. Anyways, there's posts out there.